Hello friends, welcome back to Blog Bytes. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add the table of content in WordPress post. But before that, let us learn what is a table of content. So for that reason, let me give you some example. So let me go to Google Chrome and search for Cricket Wiki. Click on the first link. So as you go down, you can see a small table which contains all the headings and subheadings, which will tell the visitors what the article is all about. By seeing the small table, they can understand like what the article contains, what are the headings, what are the subheadings. So like this Wikipedia, we can add the table of content for a WordPress post as well, which will again go for visitor to know what the article is all about. So I'll show you how to add that. So for that reason, let me go to my WordPress dashboard. First of all, let me show you some post which doesn't have any table of content, and then I will add the table of content and show you how it looks like. So here is one sample post which doesn't have any table of content. So I will add one plugin which will add that table of content in all WordPress posts. So for that, I went to plugin and add new and search for table of content plus. So you have to go down and find that a plugin having done by Michael Tran. So he is the author of this plugin. So make sure you download this plugin only. Click on install and then activate. So once activated, you can go to settings and you can set all the parameters which is required. So first is position. So I will show you in detail after some time in this video. So what does it mean? What is the position and all those things? So here again it is showing like if you have minimum 4 headers, it will show the table of content. Next is like automatically it will insert table of content for post, mainly for post only we record, right? Not for pages. Here what is the heading text and there are so many other things, so which I will show you in detail. It is the width of the box, so which is I mentioned as automatic. Then wrappings required or not, the font size and the style. So it is a quite easy interface to play with. So there are some advanced options that you can try out, but I'll prefer not to touch that because those are not really required. And after doing all those things, you can click on update options. Now let me refresh the article and see whether the table of content came or not. So as you can see that it is showing the table of content which mentioned as all topics in the article, and the box came here. Now we'll tell you one by one about all these small settings. So as you can see, this is my first heading, and before the first heading the table of content came. Now I clicked on after first heading and see where it is showing. If I refresh the page, so you can see after the first heading the table of content came. So this is the position. So you can put on the top, and you can put on the bottom after the first heading or before the first heading. There are 4 options available. Coming to this text, as you can see, like it is mentioned as all topics in the article, so you can change it if you want. So I mentioned as topics, so that will get changed over there. So you can see that the text got changed. Now this text show on hide, that also you can change it from the dashboard. So you can write whatever you want and then hide the table of content initially. So when you open the article initially, it will hide the table of content. So you have to click on show to see the table of content. And then we can see about the various table types. So initially it was different color, now I put gray. So if I refresh, this table of content will have a gray color, as you can see here. So we have some option for the sitemap, like whether this should be included in sitemap or not. So I'll prefer like you go by the default setting. So that's all friends in this video. Hope you got some idea about how you can add a table of content in your WordPress post. If you got an idea and if you feel that this video is helpful for you, then do like the video, and thanks for watching.